Okay, so next example, we have the integral of x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed minus 5x squared minus 4x plus 17 over x cubed plus x squared minus 5x plus 3 dx. Okay, so our integrand seems a bit complicated. However, para siyang complex pero gawin natin is to reduce this. How? We divide. Okay? So, gawin natin yung long method. We have x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed minus 5x squared minus 4x plus 17 divided by si denominator natin. So, x cubed plus x squared minus 5x plus 3. So, x raised to 4 divided by x cubed, that is equal to x. And then this will be equal to x raised to 4 plus x cubed minus 5x squared and then plus 3x. So, this will be equal to, we subtract this one. Okay, so we subtract this x4 minus x raised to 4, that is 0. 3x cubed minus x cubed, that is 2x cubed. Negative 5x squared minus minus, that will be plus, so this will cancel also. And then negative 4x minus 3x, that is equal to negative x and then plus 17. Plus 17. Okay, so from there, 2x cubed divided by x cubed, that is equal to 2. Okay, so plus 2 tayo dito. And then 2 times x cubed, that is equal to 2x cubed. And then 2 times x squared, that is positive 2x squared. And then 2 times negative 5x, negative 10x. Then 2 times 3, that is equal to positive 6. Okay, so subtract din ulit natin to. So this will cancel. And then bring down natin si negative 2x squared. And then negative x, negative negative plus. So that is equal to positive 9x. Okay? Mali pala to. So si negative 4x minus 3x, that is equal to negative 7x. Kasi negative pala sila parehos. Okay, so this will be equal to negative 7x. So negative 7x tapos plus 10x, that will be equal to positive 3x. And then 17 minus 6, that is equal to positive 11. So yung answer natin will be, this is equal to x plus 2 plus negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 11 all over x cubed plus x squared minus 5x plus 3. Okay, so still, meron pa rin tayong complicated na polynomial dito. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, if we cannot completely factor this one, gawin natin is yung synthetic division. So, apply natin si synthetic division. Okay, so let's try if x minus 1 is a factor of our denominator. So, therefore, yung x natin will be equal to 1. Susulat natin yung mga numerical coefficients niya. That will be 1, tapos si 1 ulit, and then negative 5, and then 3. So, from here, lagay natin si 1 dito, which is, tinatry natin if x minus 1 is a factor of our denominator of the polynomial. So, this will be equal to bring down 1. So, 1 times 1, that is equal to 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 1 times 2, that is equal to 2. And negative 5 plus 2, that is equal to negative 3. Negative 3 times 1, that is negative 3. 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. Ibig sabihin, since 0 yung remainder, 0 yung nandito, ibig sabihin yung x minus 1 is a factor of the denominator. So, and then yung matitira na lang will be x minus 1 multiplied by this one. So, this will be equal to the numerical coefficient of your x squared and then the numerical coefficient of your x, and this will be your constant. Okay? So, we have that one. So we can rewrite our equation into x plus 2 plus negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 11 all over x minus 1 times, if we can try to have uh, factors for this one, ano yun? So, we can rewrite this into x minus 1. We try to have factors for this. Try natin si um, x plus 3 and x minus 1. Okay, so x plus 3 times x minus 1 is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. So, we can rewrite this into x minus 1 squared times x plus 3. So, this is x minus 1 squared times x plus 3. And then x plus 3 dx. Okay. So, yung complicated na polynomials kanina is we came up with this one much simpler. And now we can proceed to methods of partial fractions, pero dito lang sa part na to kasi ito pwede namang i-integrate na lang yan. So, dito lang tayo mag-apply ng methods of partial fractions. Okay, and since our q of x is linear and some are repeated, gagamitin natin si case number 2. Okay, so at the integral of negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 11 over x minus 1 squared times x plus 3 dx. So, gagamitin natin si case number 2. So, this will be equal to the integral of a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 squared plus c all over x plus 3 and then dx. Okay, so this will be equal to negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 11 all over x minus 1 squared times x plus 3 equal to LCD natin. This will be equal to x minus 1 squared times x plus 3. And then we have a here. Multiply natin kay x minus 1 and then x plus 3 plus b times x plus 3 and then c plus c times x minus 1 quantity squared. So, of course, this will cancel. So, we simplify further. This will be equal to a x minus 1 times x plus 3 is equal to x squared, hindi. Ay, tama. X squared, sorry, that will be equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. And then plus bx plus 3b. Dinistribute ka na since linear naman to. And then plus c. X minus 1 squared is equal to, that is x squared minus 2x plus 1. Okay? And then we simplify further. This will be equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 11 equal to ax squared plus 2ax minus 3a plus bx plus 3b plus cx squared minus 2cx plus c. Now, yung symmetry ulit yung gagamitin natin. Okay, so we use again si symmetry. This will be equal to, combine natin yung like terms muna. So, this will be equal to negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 11 equal to x squared. That will be equal to a plus c. And then, plus x natin is si 2a plus b minus 2c. Okay? 2a plus b minus 2c. And then, yung mga constants natin will be equal to negative 3a plus 3b plus c. Okay? So, by symmetry, Okay. So, yung x squared natin will be a plus c, which is equal to negative 2. And then 2a plus b minus 2c is equal to positive 3. This one. And then negative 3a plus 3b plus c is equal to 11. So, this is equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3. Now, from equation 1, manipulate natin. So, that will be equal to a is equal to negative 2 minus c. Let this be our equation number 4. Because if we don't do that, wala tayong masasolve. Okay? So, substituting si a dito sa equation number 2. Okay, so substitute equation 4 to equation 2. So we have 2 times negative 2 minus c plus b minus 2c is equal to 3. Simplifying further, this is equal to negative 4 minus 2c plus b minus 2c is equal to 3. So this is equal to negative 4c plus b is equal to 3. Transpose natin sa kabila magiging positive. So that will be equal to 7. So our b is equal to 7 plus 4c. Then this is our equation number 5. Now, we substitute equation 4 and 5 to equation 3. Dito sa part na to solve for c. Okay? So, this will be equal to negative 3. What is our a? That is negative 2 minus c plus 3 times 7 plus 4c. And then plus c equal to 11. So, if we simplify this one, that will be equal to positive 6 plus 3c plus 21. Okay, 3 times 7 is 21 plus 12c plus c equal to 11. So, 3c plus 12c plus c, that will be equal to 16c. So, 16c is equal to 11. And then 6 plus 21, 6 plus 21 is equal to 27. So, transpose natin sa kabila, magiging negative 27. And solving for c, we will have a value of negative 1. Kasi 16c is equal to 11 minus 27 is equal to negative 16. So, we have a value for c which is equal to negative 1. And then, we solve for a, substitute natin. Ito na lang. So, substitute c to equation number 4. Our equation number 4 is equal to a negative 2 minus what is our c, that is negative 1. So, this is equal to negative 2 plus 1, that is equal to negative 1. So, our a is equal to negative 1. And solving for b naman, substitute c to equation number 5. Our equation number 5 is equal to b is equal to 7 plus 4 times c natin is negative 1. So, b is equal to 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. So, we now have values for our a, b, and c. So, plug na lang natin dito. So, at ano pa lang tayo? At the integral of negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 11 all over x minus 1 squared times x plus 3 is equal to the integral of what is our a, that is negative 1 over x minus 1. Tapos yung b natin is 3 plus 3 all over x minus 1 quantity squared. Ayan. And then yung c natin is negative 1 over x plus 3. And then dx. So this will be equal to negative ln of x minus 1. Tapos dito naman will be equal to plus 3, the integral of x minus 1 raised to negative 2 dx. And then for this one, negative ln of x plus 3. Tapos si plus c natin. So this will be equal to negative ln of ln of x minus 1, and then plus 3. This is equal to x minus 1 raised to negative 1 over negative 1 minus ln of x plus 3 plus c. So, simplifying further, pagsamahin natin yung dalawang ln natin. So, this will be equal to ln, simplify natin. So, this will be equal to ln of x raised to negative 1, x minus 1 raised to negative 1, since negative 1 yung coefficient natin dito. And then, for this one, magiging negative 3 all over x minus 1. So, binaba ko lang siya since negative yung exponent niya. Pag binaba mo siya, magiging positive yung exponent. And for this one, ln of x plus 3 raised to negative 1 and then plus c. So, we can rewrite this one, babarin natin para maging positive yung exponent. So, this will be equal to 1 over x minus 1 minus 3 over x minus 1 plus ln of 1 over x plus 3 and then plus c. So, if we try to simplify this one, this will be equal to ln of 1 over, okay, so since positive to plus, magmumultiply sila. So, this will be equal to 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 3 and then minus 3 over x minus 1 plus c. However, hindi pa to yung final answer natin. Ito lang yung integration ng negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 11 over x minus 1 squared times x plus 3 natin. Meron pa tayong x plus 2. So, if you remember, this is equal to the integral of x plus 2 plus negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 11 all over x minus 1 squared times x plus 3 dx. So, meron pa tayong x plus 2 dito. So, this will be equal to the integral of x dx plus the integral of 2 dx plus yung na-integrate na, this is equal to ln of 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 3 minus 3 over x minus 1 plus c. So, if we integrate this one, this will be equal to x squared over 2. X dx is equal to x squared over 2 plus 2x. The integral of dx is equal to x, and then we copy this one. And then plus ln of 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 3 and then minus 3 over x minus 1 plus c. So that is the final answer for example number 4.